ways. I just got back from the gym. I've got my juice generation smoothie here. And today I want to tell you about 500 million people that are having the time of their lives. They're on this new app that's been downloaded over 1 billion times, and people are creating brand new fortunes, having a ton of fun. And I can't tell you how many of our friends have used this app and just got caught up for 30 minutes just LOLing or ROFLing all over the floor. It's pretty amazing. So if you're ready, give me a thumbs up and let's get started. Hey guys, my name is Andrew Wise, and on this channel we talk about travel hacks, life hacks, and how to make money running your own business. Today we're talking about TikTok.
It's Britney, bitch.
There's not any.
TikTok, it's a app that's taking over the world. It used to be called Musical.ly, and then this Chinese company ByteDance bought it, and now for the US it's called TikTok. And today we're going to be talking about 3 different things. 1, why is TikTok important? 2, how you can use TikTok to make money for a new business or an existing business. And 3, how to make videos that go viral on TikTok, jumpstart your traffic. So before we get started, let me know down in the comments, are you using TikTok right now? If so, send me over your username so I can check out your videos. So up until about 3 months ago, I had never heard of TikTok. I really didn't understand the hype or what all the commotion was about, and wasn't really planning on doing anything about TikTok. I was just gonna let it kind of run its course, and then once I saw influencers were starting to make money on there, that's when I was gonna jump on the bandwagon. But I think we got referred by a friend and started to read some of these statistics about how valuable TikTok is and how fast people can grow. That really changed my mind to get me onto the platform. So the number 1 stat to me is that TikTok has been downloaded over 1 billion times. They have over 500 monthly active users, which is pretty close to Instagram's at 600 million. Another really important point, which is pretty close to Instagram, who I think is at 700 or 800 million. But one news item really jarred my attention to TikTok. Instagram debuted IGTV about a year or 2 ago, and they thought this was going to be the future of vertical video. Well, it turns out Facebook, Instagram just shut down IGTV. It got a total of 7 million downloads. Comparing that to TikTok's 1 billion, it's quite a flop and pretty big indication that Instagram and IGTV are not the future and TikTok is. The thing about TikTok is the audience itself is really young. It's 16 to 24. And what that means is maybe these 16-year-olds aren't going to be able to buy anything from you yet, but in a couple years, once they go to college and start getting some earning power and start to build up their wealth and get their jobs, you're going to be the person who's got that audience and got them a follower of your brand or of your channel. On TikTok, users spend about 52 minutes per day on the app, which is pretty wild. I know our friends are definitely spending 52 minutes per day on this app, and they're over that 24 age demographic, so some of your audience may already be on TikTok. And finally, the number 1 reason I love TikTok is the fact that it's so easy to grow. 3 months ago, I started posting daily on TikTok, and I racked up 1 million views, 3,000 followers, and one of my posts got over 1,000 comments. On Instagram, I've been doing this for 7 years. I've never had a post that's gotten over 200 comments. So TikTok really is a huge potential, and really what's happening on TikTok right now is there are way too many viewers and not enough creators. And that's why I'm creating this video today, to speak to all of you out there who are creators, who are thinking about becoming creators. Now let's talk about, sure, TikTok is great, but how can I actually make money on there, Andrew? Well, that's a good question. So my focus on TikTok is going to be talking about the same things we talk about here. Travel hacking, credit cards, but it's going to be a little different. Because the audience is 16 to 24, instead of talking about the Chase Sapphire Reserve, the CSP, the Amex Platinum, I'm going to be talking more about starter cards and student cards. And my hope is, once I can convince them to subscribe to the TikTok Life Tailored channel, as they get older, as they start to grow, they're going to come back to our channel to learn about the CSP, the Chase Freedom, and kind of level up on their cards. Right now is the time to get this 16 to 24 audience a fan of the Life Tailored brand, and that's kind of our goal right now. But say you don't talk about credit cards, you're in the e-commerce industry, TikTok is a perfect medium to start selling your goods on e-commerce. We have a friend who runs a luggage brand, and TikTok is full of aspiring young travelers. If you can create content around your luggage brand for TikTok, it's an amazing opportunity to grab a ton of market share and kind of beat away the folks at Away who may not be, Away Luggage, who may not be on TikTok or may not have such a commanding presence there. If you're a brand new brand or a startup, this is your opportunity to get that blue ocean, that massive audience on TikTok, and it can come really cheap and really fast. Other great businesses to be on TikTok are if you're selling any sort of course, if you're selling any sort of membership, or even if you're just selling a B2B product. There may not be many B2B people on there now, but you can just talk about general tips about how to be better at sales, how to be better at customer service, how to be better at logistics, whatever it is, you're going to find that audience, and when they come to TikTok, you're going to have all this library of content that they can consume, and it's going to give you that one extra step above your competitors. So hopefully I've convinced you that TikTok is the future. There's a tremendous opportunity there, and now I wanted to give you some quick tips and some of the stuff I learned from racking up over 1 million views in 1 month. So I'm going to throw up this video right now. It's a Gary Vaynerchuk video. You've probably heard of this guy. He's been around social media and the internet seemingly forever and is dominating every channel. And of course, he's dominating TikTok.
When you're 25 and you're taking money from your parents, you're losing life. You're in a bad place, no matter what. It's a bad place to be. You have to stand on your own 2 feet to get actual happiness. And your parents are forcing you to take the money because they actually don't think you're capable. That's why you're upset. If I pay for you, I can make you marry who I want you to marry. I can make you work where I want you to make. They're using this control mechanism. Number one thing I tell kids to do is get off the payroll. Number one. I did it so much, I not only got off the payroll, I made my parents all their money. I wanted the control. Subconsciously. Think about that.
What they're doing and what his team is doing is taking his videos from probably YouTube or Instagram or Twitter or Facebook or wherever and mashing them up into the TikTok medium. Some of the main rules you want to follow when you're creating a TikTok video is 1, the medium is the message. The TikTok in-app video editor is an essential tool that you should use in creating your videos. You want to match the text formats that they use in there, the way you can match your videos to songs as the beat drops. You want that story to change, you want that transition to happen. Number 2 tip for good TikTok videos is you want to have some sort of surprise element at the end. I'm throwing up this video here. This is one of my favorite couples to follow on TikTok. Basically, it's that transition video. You're waiting for them to swing that chain to see what they change into, and for some reason it gets me hooked every time. I have to watch the entire video to see what they look like at the end. The 3rd tip is you need your videos to be fast, snappy, and fun. So on TikTok, I'm probably going to chop up this video and I'm going to have no spaces in my words. I'm just going to say the main 3 points of this video of how to make viral videos. But basically what you have to learn is people have a really short attention span on TikTok. And if your video doesn't captivate people in the first 3 seconds, they're gone. So when you're building your video, make it as compelling as possible to keep that viewer engaged. And the 4th tip is to follow along with the challenges as much as possible. I did a ton of videos for Halloween, and this was really my biggest and most successful video. I'm gonna throw it up right now. It's me getting dressed to be Post Malone. I bought a bunch of tattoos from Amazon, I bought a gold chain or silver chain from Amazon, bought the fake grills, and I asked people, hey, what am I dressing up for Halloween? A ton of people said I was some like tree monster from Riverdale, which I haven't seen the show, so I have no idea what they're talking about. But I'd say about 50% of the people got Post Malone right, but the more important thing is I got over 1,000 comments. So your videos don't really have to be super highly produced. I didn't even think that video would do well, and that's the thing, you just kind of throw stuff at the wall and see what sticks. But the main point is, it was a Halloween challenge and I jumped on it and I got a ton of exposure for it. So whenever new challenges come out, always create a video. You never know if that video is going to be a hit or a miss, but the more content you create, the higher your chances of getting that viral video. So guys, if you've made it all the way to the end of the video, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell, and also get your thumb out of its bunker and smash that thumb button or the like button, whichever you prefer. And remember, as far as TikTok goes, there are 1 billion downloads of this app. It's super easy to grow from 0 to 3,000 followers and to rack up 1 million views with just producing 7 days worth of content. So my challenge to you and your next steps are create your TikTok account, create a video, and tag me. My username is lifetailor.com. I'm gonna go in, give you some feedback on your videos. Hopefully you followed my 4 tips I mentioned above. And now that you're in the mindset of building your own business, I've got a great video coming up here. It talks about step-by-step how I built a travel blog that lets us stay at 5-star resorts for free. Keep watching this video and follow us on Instagram at LifeTailored. I've got a couple questions for you in my stories. Respond back to those and I'm gonna create a video based on your responses. Keep watching, see you guys soon.